Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a brand new budget smartwatch, the Itel Smartwatch Storm Ultra ISW-023. Is this the ultimate affordable smartwatch for 2025? Let's find out. The packaging is simple yet stylish, typical of Itel's branding. Inside the box, we get the smartwatch itself, a magnetic charger, and a quick start guide. The first thing I notice is its sleek and lightweight design. It definitely looks premium for a budget-friendly device. Itel has gone for a round dial design, giving it a more traditional watch look. The strap feels comfortable and durable, making it great for all-day wear. The display is a full-color touchscreen, and while it's not AMOLED, the brightness is decent enough for indoor and outdoor use. This watch comes packed with features: fitness tracking, steps, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen level, multiple sports modes, running, cycling, walking, and more. Smart notifications, calls, messages, and social media alerts. Water resistance, good for sweat and light splashes, but I wouldn't recommend swimming with it. Battery life. Itel claims up to 7 to 10 days of use on a single charge, which is pretty solid for this category. Pairing the Storm Ultra ISW-023 with your smartphone is easy using the Itel Smartwatch app. Once connected, you can customize watch faces, sync notifications, and track your health stats. The UI is smooth, though it's not the fastest compared to premium smartwatches. All right, let's break it down. Checkmark pros. Checkmark, affordable price checkmark, stylish and lightweight design checkmark, decent battery life checkmark, useful health tracking features. X cons, X, no built-in GPS, X limited third-party app support, basic display quality compared to higher-end smartwatches. Overall, for the price, this is a solid option for anyone looking for a budget smartwatch with essential features. So, should you buy the Itel Smartwatch Storm Ultra ISW-023? If you're on a budget and want a stylish smartwatch for fitness tracking and notifications, this is a great pick. But if you need more advanced features like GPS or an AMOLED display, you might want to look elsewhere. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next one. Peace. Chicks.